Are you searching for a way to make some extra money part-time or full-time? If so, affiliate marketing might be for you. You can make good money all from the comfort of your own home. To guide you through how to build a successful affiliate site, this video contains many useful tips that can help you. Certain affiliate marketing programs pay off when website visitors go to an advertiser's site and take action. Typically registering or providing contact information, these pay-for-sign-up programs pay better than pay-per-click setups, although of course, the webmaster will not see as many payments as he or she would with pay-per-click. Nevertheless, the higher pay makes these programs attractive to many website owners. Take advantage of press releases to boost your internet marketing efforts. Using a press release is a great way to raise awareness about your business and to reach new customers. There are a number of online distribution networks available for sharing press releases, making it easy to announce newsworthy items related to your business. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, make certain that the affiliate program with which you join uses cookie tracking. This will ensure that you will be credited for all the purchases made by people who buy items on their second or subsequent visit to the affiliate company's site. A lot of affiliates use emails to send out and receive tasks that need to be done. Checking your emails constantly takes time. Save yourself some time by copying and pasting these emails to Notepad and keeping that page open while you work on the assigned tasks. This is a great way to save some time as you will have all the important information in one document. Affiliates need to make sure that they're receiving full credit for every sale. For this, you want to find out what type of tracking software a company uses and make sure that it's a legitimate, reliable service. If you are not properly tracked, you could end up losing your commissions. And the company is not going to shed a tear over this. Recurring visitors to your affiliate site will think the site is stale and not updated if your ads are in the same location every time they arrive. So in order to change the ad locations, find an ad rotator plugin to use on your blog or website to ensure that the scenery changes on a regular basis. Build trust with your readers. If your readers feel like they know and respect you, they'll make an effort to make you money by using your affiliate links. Be honest about the fact that you hope your visitors will help you out by clicking on your affiliate links. If it seems as if you are trying to hide the fact that you are an affiliate, your visitors will just go straight to the vendor's website and purchase the product directly. Then you won't get credit, even though you have put in a lot of work to promote the product. A great affiliate marketing tip is to keep your website design simple. Though it may be tempting to pick a special font to make your website unique, it can also be very irritating to your visitors. Most visitors would rather see a standard font than a crazy one. Take it easy on making bold claims that you cannot back up when promoting your affiliate products. If you're lying about the benefits of the product, customers are eventually going to find out. Then you may be on the hook to the actual affiliate company when they receive complaints about their product not performing as advertised. An affiliate link should appear to be helpful to your visitors. Forcing a Buy Me link down anyone's throat is annoying, so ensure that you add affiliate content in a palatable way. Offer a selection of items to choose from, or post about a sale. Your readers will appreciate that you're trying to help them pick the best product or get the best price, and will forget that you're making money off their purchase. Be super transparent about your affiliate links. So many courses recommend hiding your affiliate links, and it even kind of seems right. But many readers actually appreciate it when you identify affiliate links on your site. In fact, some are more likely to buy from you because they appreciate your transparency and feel you're honest and trustworthy. Keep track of your affiliate program results. Successful affiliate sales come from watching what works and what doesn't. Most affiliate programs include some type of tracking function that helps you see which links are working well and which ones need to be tweaked. Vary page positions, see what products sell where, which wording helps links perform better, and use it to plan your future affiliate program strategies. Create a name for your site that people can remember. Having a site with a million dashes or misspelt words will keep people from returning to you. If you have something that is easy to recall, you are more likely to get repeat visitors to your site. Make your site's name match the type of product you are offering as well to help bring in customers. Before joining a new affiliate program, talk to other affiliates in the same program. Find out from them the real facts behind the affiliate's support and fairness. They can help steer you away from companies that aren't honest in their commission payments or don't provide support to their affiliates. Like any business, make sure you have a plan and strategy in place before getting started. Determine ahead of time what types of work you want to get into and what sort of products you are most excited about promoting. Learn what types of marketing work for the particular products you will be focusing on. Having a developed plan is half the battle to a successful launch. If you follow the guides in this video persistently and manage your sites so that they are attractive to traffic and your audience, then you should have no problem making a profit from this program. Remember, you will only make a successful site if you put in the time and effort to make it stand out in the online market. I have a free ebook which you can download instantly, on how I make $3,597 per month with affiliate marketing. This ebook shows you practical ways to generate massive numbers of hungry buyers to your affiliate link. The best part is that these are all free methods. I have included the link in the description below. Also, let me know your favorite tip in this video. I read all comments and respond whenever necessary. And lastly but not least, if you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will be alerted when I publish new videos with similar content. See you in the next video. Cheers.